good, man? You too, man. Back with another vlog, man. Today I'm about to go on, like, I don't know, but yo, don't forget to subscribe to the daily vlog, so you know the vibe. So today I'm about to go and do mukbang. I don't know who I'm gonna tap in with. You know what I'm saying? I just need somebody who gonna chill out with me. You know what I'm saying? Mukbang with me. You know what I'm saying? But I think I'm gonna call Lisa, one of my female that I know. She's Lisa too, but I don't think she won't be but I don't know. I'm gonna text her then and see what she says. So like, yeah, I don't know. So like, yo, I'm gonna catch y'all niggas in my bank chair. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? If you don't mind, there's no need to be mind or whatever you do that shit. Just subscribe, boys. Yeah, man, so what's good, man? YouTube, back with another video. As I can see, as you can see, man, some shit. As you can see, I met it, special on that some shit. We gonna hit that shit. Alright, sir. That should be fucking yo, das ist scheiße. Jetzt bin ich scheitern. Let's try this. I ain't gonna lie, it should be shacks. They're shouting out there, boy.
Footy الحل.
I'm betting, تترى. Charlie, speak. I'm so awesome, guys. Feed it up. I ain't gonna lie.
Ja. So eine List. Kus rosse Wände. Hein? Les gens qui bossent aussi le renvoient. Ouais, je cheat. Ayun. Ay.
Alright, y'all, man. Hey, so don't forget to subscribe to the daily vlog with Lisa, man. Alright. So, as you can see the title and the thumbnail, yes, it's happening. As you can see my hair, I just fucking dyed my hair, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just chilling with my boy, yeah. You know the vibe. Oh, that shit shiesty. That shit shiesty, oh, I'm gonna check out my drink now. No, se me tuvo. Ay, pero. Oh. What you think for this shit? What you think? I'm gonna lie, I fuck with that shit, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck? Niggas are insane. I'm insane. I'm still waiting for my order. You know what I'm saying? I'm still waiting for my burger, so I'm gonna catch y'all, bros, when I'm done to order that shit. Alright.
Sir.
Yes, sir. So I'm down to vlog. I'm not saying my bad for down to vlog. Alright, y'all, man. So man, saying just down to vlog my shit. You know what I'm saying? Look alive. You hear me? So you gonna watch me niggas eating that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Weet het, boy, je weet.
Okay, y'all. Let me rate this burger head down. The scale of 1 to 10, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give this burger 9. 9. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's tough. You look like damn. My bad. So y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done. Okay. Whew, that should be shiesty. That should be shiesty, son. Whew, that bitch hot as hell. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna lie, man. This shit be buzzing, bro.
This shit fucking bust. what?
Yeah, I'm saying, I'm more so. Where is that thing? Sudan.
Whew. This is great to go. Shout out to Great to Go, man. That shit shiesty.
Let's boy, Mr. Man.
I'm done.
I mean,
Okay. Look out. What's it? Ah, sayo. Oh, là. Yes. Bien, là. Là, le bambou encore. Bien, là. Damn! What the fuck? Lord shading Hi man.